Let's start with the parts. This is the radical. This is the index. This is the radicand, and we call the result the root. I'll move a little over here so you can take a screenshot or copy it. Before we move on, I think it's absolutely necessary for you to remember that when we want to find the value of a root, what we're really looking for is the value, such that when I raise it to the index, it gives me the radicand. For example, here, if we want to find the cube root of 8, then we would have to look for the number such that when raised to the third power, it gives us 8. Think about it. The number that, when raised to the third power, gives me 8 is 2y, because 2 times 2 does give me 8. So, since 2 cubed is equal to 8, that means the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. We can also think about this, for example, when we have the square root, for example, of 25. We have to remember that when we don't have the index written explicitly, it actually means that there's a 2 here. So I'm just going to write it down so I can show you what I mean. Look, here we would have to find the number that, when raised to the index, in this case squared, gives us the radicand. That is, in this case, it gives me 25. So I ask you, what is the number that when squared gives me 25? Well, it would be 5. This means then that the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Careful, remember, if there's nothing there, we already know anyway that it's a square root. But of course, here you could have a 2a, 3a, 4, or 5, or any other number.